Are you looking for the best security camera for 24-hour recording? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best security camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ZOSI 16CH. The ZOSI PO is the best outdoor security camera 24-hour recording that comes with a 16-channel system. It offers 4K image resolution along with a two-way audio system and a large 4 TB hard disk capacity. One of the most impressive features of this security camera is the two-way audio system. Interactive monitoring is made possible by the two-way audio feature. Therefore, you're able to use the built-in speaker and microphone to hear and converse with anyone who approaches closer to your camera monitoring zone. The kit comes with 8 5MP PO cameras to provide clear, detailed footage that can be used indoors and outdoors. To frighten away intruders, you can also configure the cameras to activate a very strong floodlight and emit a siren if a human is seen. The system's sophisticated detection features, particularly its capacity to distinguish between various objects, including humans and cars, are a noteworthy feature. This feature is more impressive because it detects motion events and instantly notifies you by email, push notifications on your app, and a siren. Key features. There are 8 5-megapixel PO IP cameras. Comes with a built-in mic and speaker for easier control. Includes a large storage of 4 TB. Color night vision technology guarantees crisp and vibrant footage. Pros. It comes as a set of 8, which can cover a huge area. The 16-channel NVR system allows you to expand and add more cameras. The color night vision allows you to see crystal clear pictures even at night. You can always talk with your kids and pets through the camera. Cons. Sometimes moisture gets stuck in the camera. Final verdict. With its high-resolution cameras, sophisticated detection capabilities, and practical features like color night vision and two-way audio, the ZOSI 16CH 4K PO security camera system is impressive. So, if you have no issues with budget and want the best outdoor security camera with continuous recording and where you can talk with your kids, this is for you. Number 2. Google Nest. The Google Nest is the best indoor security camera for the home. It comes in a pack of 3 from Google and is mostly intended for indoor usage for your home security. Google Nest Cam indoor camera uses industry-leading security technology to protect your data and assets. Regarding indoor cams with 24-hour recording capabilities, you don't need to think much about weatherproofing and other stuff. The Google Nest Cam does exactly what it is designed for. It continuously records the whole area around your house. With the camera's 6x digital zoom and 135 degrees field of vision, you can always see your whole room. In addition, the app has a history button that launches a page with a chronology of events and videos of each event that you can navigate through. The most recent software features for the Nest Cam include activity zones, object detection, and support for viewing and using the Google Home app. Google's Nest Cams are dedicated to ensuring the security of your home as well as your account. It uses industry-leading security technology such as authentication, which protects your account and information to the next level. However, you can only see the latest 3 hours of footage without purchasing a Nest Aware storage subscription. So, for some, this can be a drawback. Key features. Comes in a pack of 3. Provides full HD resolution with a 130-degree wide-angle view. Built-in speaker and microphone while using two-way audio. Powered by a USB cable and a power adapter. Pros. Comes in a pack of 3, enabling a view of the entire room. Allows voice commands with Google Assistant. Can recognize faces. The design is aesthetic, so your interior won't be hampered. Cons. Advanced features require a paid subscription. Final verdict. The Nest Cam, indoor, wired, is the best option for a smart home security camera geared towards Google fans, with excellent build quality, a stylish appearance, and state-of-the-art functionality. It offers sharp HD video, intelligent warnings, and sophisticated facial recognition technology, and installation is a breeze. The Nest Cam offers a complete interior security solution by fusing superior aesthetics with the most advanced intelligence. Number 3. Zosi 4K 16ch PO. If you are searching for the best security cameras for your modern home that record 24/7 without Wi-Fi and are integrated with advanced features, Zosi 4K 16ch is a good choice. The system supports ultra-long 24-hour recording, and you can take a backup of your files using by USB device or an external hard drive. One of the best features of this Zosi 24/7-hour recording security camera is its remote access from anywhere. To see and manage your security system locally, you can connect it to a monitor, also a portable monitor, that isn't connected to the internet. You can also use the free Zosi app, which can be used on any smart device, like a smartphone, tablet, or PC. Beyond typical black and white night vision, color night vision is amazing and performs exceptionally well in low light. It provides detailed and vibrant footage during nighttime surveillance. You will also find a siren that can be manually engaged from your phone or actuated by human motion events, along with motion-activated white LED warning lights. The customization control gives users complete access to the recording modes. So, you will get 4 recording modes: record video constantly and around the clock. Take notes at the appointed times. Only take a video when you see movement or reuse a record. Key features. Includes a combination of a total of 8 cameras. Offers 4K 16 NVR channel. The night vision has color capabilities. Has LED warning lights and a siren. Pros. Has 4 recording modes so that you will have full customization control. The color night vision allows easy recording in the dark. You can access the cameras from any location. Comes with an IP66 waterproof rating. Cons. The price is very high. Final verdict. If you are looking for the best security camera for continuous recording that records 24/7 without Wi-Fi, and you want to have a strong system for your camera and monitor business, then this Zosi 4K system is for you. This camera system offers almost all the features you would need in a 24-hour recording security camera, but it comes at a high price point. Number 4. Eufy 24/7. If you own Homebase 3, then the Eufy Cam E330 is the best security cameras that record 24/7 without a subscription and is the cheapest option for your home usage. The Eufy Cam E330 camera features an easy plug-in configuration that makes installation a breeze. The strong Wi-Fi capabilities of the device guarantee a steady and dependable connection, which is essential for smooth video streaming and monitoring. With a wide range of Wi-Fi coverage that reaches up to 5,000 feet, 464 meters, this camera removes security gaps brought on by spotty Wi-Fi. Moreover, the Homebase 3 hub and cameras may be connected wirelessly for up to 82 feet, 25 meters, guaranteeing efficient interaction across the monitoring network. One of the most impressive features of this camera is Bionic Mind. Bionic Mind's cross-camera tracking facilitates the quick and easy tracking of occurrences across several cameras, which improves event evaluation. With face recognition, this function enables your security system to reach its maximum potential by differentiating between recognized family members and outsiders or unknown people. It streamlines the procedure for monitoring and analyzing activities, guaranteeing prompt and efficient surveillance throughout your security network. Key features. Includes cross-camera tracking with Bionic Mind features. Easy to assemble with other cameras in the system. Work with Homebase 3. Has a huge coverage of 5,000 square feet. Offers an expandable storage of up to 16 terabytes. Pros. Helps to distinguish between known and unknown faces. The installation procedure is made easier. Improved Wi-Fi and plug-in setup. Data stays highly protected due to encryption. No monthly fee for cloud storage. Cons. Cannot work without the Homebase 3 system. Final verdict. If you are looking for security cameras that record 24/7 without a subscription and an extra camera that offers 24/7 recording and can work with Homebase 3, then the Eufy E330 is for you. This camera has some impressive features like facial recognition and a respectable range compared to the price point. Number 5. Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight. The Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera is the last continuous recording security camera wireless on our list. It offers the greatest value in terms of quick installation, customized alerts, and comprehensive video performance. It is one of the best 24/7 security cameras on the market. One of the best features of this camera is its setup process. Arlo Pro 4 connects to your Wi-Fi router directly without the need for a base station, which facilitates a simpler connection. Additionally, it works with batteries, so you won't have wires hanging around your house. It has features including color night vision and an inbuilt flashlight. In addition to having rain and water resistance, this sleek-looking security camera is also surprisingly robust. Furthermore, this camera functions properly down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, so regardless of the temperature, it will capture clear, crisp images for you. Even with its 5 minutes of continuous recording time, the Pro 4 consumes very little battery life. So, charging it once a month can provide enough power to run the camera for the whole month. Key features. It has a 160-degree diagonal viewing camera. It is a wireless camera that sets up quickly. Doesn't need a cable or a hub. Provides a 2K crystal clear resolution. Works with most of the smart home devices. Pros. Aesthetic design with a robust build. No need for any wires to connect. Comes at a reasonable price. Works with many third-party home automation devices. Cons. For cloud storage, you will need a paid subscription. Final verdict. If you are tired of using wires hanging around with your 24-hour recording security cameras, then the Arlo Pro 4 is for you. This is a completely wireless camera that works with a battery and has many unique features. Comparing the price point, you will have a decent 2K picture quality along with features like spotlight and wide-angle view.